Hello Xhorse fans! Today a brand new product will be introduced to everyone. Xhorse Digital Multimeter. The multimeter is a commonly used and practical device that can play an important role in the daily work of locksmiths, making work safer and more convenient. Therefore, choosing the most suitable multimeter is very important. Xhorse Digital Multimeter has outstanding advantages such as fast leakage detection without the need for an external power supply. Therefore, it's very suitable for friends with remote leakage detection or other similar needs. It's packed with diverse highlights. Let's dive into today's video. 1. Comprehensive functionality. It can be used to measure AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diode, and continuity. It can also effectively achieve the following functions. 1. Data hold. Press the hold once to keep the test value displayed. Press the hold again to release hold mode. 2. Range switching. Press range to enter the manual range switching mode. Press and hold the range for 2 seconds to exit the manual range and enter the automatic range mode. 3. Screen backlight switch. Press the button once to turn on the screen backlight and then press the button again to turn off the screen backlight. 4. Function switching. When the function knob is switched to a multifunctional, press select to select different measurement functions on the gear. 5. Automatic shutdown. During the measurement, if the range switch is not moved or the function button is not pressed for about 15 minutes, the multimeter will automatically shut down to save energy. In the automatic shutdown state, pressing any button or turning the function knob can restart the multimeter. 2. Leakage detection. Featured fast detection function providing 3 volts DC power supply. It's accurate to 0.1 microamps and suitable for static leakage detection of electronic products, especially for remote leakage detection. You can use the traditional multimeter method. Insert the black and red leads into corresponding terminals and provide an external power supply for leakage detection. You can also adopt the fast detection method by inserting the red lead into the LE plus terminal and the black lead into the LE minus terminal. Switch the function knob to the leakage test gear LE. Measure directly without an external power supply and read the current from the display screen for judgment. If OL is displayed, it indicates that the current exceeds the range 6 milliamps and the standby current is too high. 3. Mistest protection. It can withstand a maximum impact of 600 volts and equipped with over voltage and overcurrent alarm prompts. 4. Long endurance. It can automatically save power with an overall power consumption of less than 3 milliamps and a long battery life. 5. HD large screen. High-definition large-screen LCD backlight display, more intuitive operational interaction, and keep the clear display in low-light environments. 6. Exquisite details. The design is easy to grip and can prevent slipping. The knot design conforms to user habits and is easy to rotate. The terminals are located at the front and the functional area is divided in shape to avoid interference. The rear support can be erected at a certain angle to meet various usage conditions. After the introduction, have you gained any understanding of the Xhorse Digital Multimeter? If you're interested in it or have any questions, please leave a message in the comments. See you next time.